boy they a bad man, them a kill nobody. I be a chat, them chat boy them a come for me, they a terror and go suck your mother. Pussy terror any day over there, dirt.
Feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery. For them love nobody. You see him want me put my trust in I end up body. Him end up body. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice because me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let show me shot at ground. In a shame for that.
Yes, hello and greetings, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. Big up on yourself. Anyone that will love and blessings, you know a lion put on another vlog. Let's come off for the work here. Tired, that's how my eyes and look. Tired out. You see me? So hard enough to work for my even. You see me? But my viewers and subscribers, they don't know. Sometimes I see my face, sometimes I don't. You see me? So right now I go home, steam 2 fish and watch Manchester match. You see me? Leicester, you see it? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, this vlog is about give me like 2 pence, you know, and terror down and the whole situation just messed up style. Everything I blow out of proportion. I mean, I like that. You know, when I support violence and crime and threat and them things. I love this straight across the board. I know I'm the man of peace. I am Eric aka Lionfoot, the man of peace. I love my preach. That's what I say. Sometimes I have my funny moments when we do put up certain vlog, but righteousness are the straight. Righteousness is the way. Live clean and pure, you know. Yeah, man. So Silk Boss get him disrespect and everybody upset. Everybody disgruntled. You see me? People make mistake. See the man them beat Silk Boss mistake, you know. And man I say them a bad man and everything there. But people do make mistake. And I know them have a conscience. Zine, and them a look back and I say, deal with him, we deal with the artist. Fuck up still, you know. While some them don't really care, them don't do them thing on the business. But every man have a conscience, and it was wrong. It's wrong. Everybody cut up, everybody vex. See, and now we see threat send out. More and more man come out and a mass up and I send threat. Man now mass up and now say, I mean I like them thing this star. We don't like that. We don't want to escalate. Silk Boss done getting beaten already, and I hope Silk Boss now try escalate nothing. I get none of man that for do nothing. I'm just saying that, see? Silk Boss just stay safe, do your music and you know. And Silk Boss have a blame for you have to blame me blame Silk Boss. Because he put himself in that position. See? I don't know if I look musical beef with him and Josh, everybody love musical beef. You notice me say musical beef. I don't know if I that. You see me? See? Why him go link up with them man that are this true or that's a breed come from. You see me? I say Silk Boss a country youth. You see? So he put himself in a situation where you have man around you, you have to make sure so them bless and set certain way. Depends on the stature of artist you are, the caliber. See? And Silk Boss boss, get him boss big, international. I wouldn't say global, but him get him big boss. Everybody know him and him deserve it. So people gonna feel like say man make money. And I just know you have man run, your man are gonna expect if you do things. I saw the garrison run. But you have to set a thing away where you know if man run, them have to respect you, know say yo, no man artist not depend on foolishness, you know. The artist not depend on no violence and no bad vibes. You have to respect you. But when they set a thing certain way like say a badness say I push. You see me? Yes, sir. Subscribe to my channel, no? Check out Lionfoot TV, yeah? See it on Lionfoot TV. Yeah? Yeah, the guys are right there, so yeah, man. So, I'm going to hear the voice now. I hear the brother here, say, and I don't like it, star. I don't like it. Right now, terror down. Everybody has been out terror down. Zine, so here I go.
So, Mr. Man, I hear that, dude. Just know where you are, youth, and keep your spirit small, youth. And you see the next thing, you see terror than a batty boy. Because terror than I do interview with you and I go back with the next youth. If you know if you do an interview with them boy they are not bad man. Them boy they are fool youth. I talk, some boy talk badness in the youth. I show them know you're soft in the youth. Because them couldn't do that with certain man youth. They hear that. Like that there. But them boy they know about West Kingston badness. But they know about Spain Town badness. But they know about Southside, Mobay. Yeah? Them boy they were put more where them know about them name golf. Golf in them mother where them know about this. Eh? Them boy they soft youth. Nah hear them boy they name a call up in a youth. They want to do nothing. Eh? If me I out from Bill Silk boss and dirt for them boy. You hear that? Dirt if me I out from Bill or me I a friend. I swear badness come down. Them boy they a bad man, them a kill nobody. I be a chat, them chat boy them a come for me. They a terror that and go suck your mother. Pussy terror that any day over there, dirt. I wanna know about West Kingston badness. Yeah? I wanna know about Spain badness. Pussy. We no beat boy, you hear that? Dash boy and cut off boy off of them body. You hear that? Pussy will not beat the youth, eh? But suck on the mother body boy, a man don't want to do things for them. Pussy. Suck out to the mother, you terror that. Suck your mother and your body boy. Big pussy boy, you come for the media and a chat of your mouth. Pussy. Terror than your body boy. Suck your mother terror than your waste man friend them over Portmore. Suck on the mother go on the name golf. Golf in on the mother. I want to know about Mobay badness. Pussy. West Kingston, eh? Suck on the mother. Spain town.
Yes, my viewers and stuff. When you walk on, I mean I like that style. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. We don't want to escalate in Jamaica. You see me? We don't want to get threat on them thing there. You see me? You see it? And with T3rro now, what T3rro did wrong. T3rro interviewed Silk Boss. Silk Boss explained, give his explanation of what happened, what went down, and yeah, everybody was happy to hear Silk speak. Spoke on the matter. See, now T3rro get to the man them and them share their side of the story. Now with that, I was observing and saying, it sounds like T3rro know them man here. See, based on how the interview was going, how it started and how it was going. See, the next thing, T3rro were getting too comfortable with the interview with the man them beat Silk Boss. And like he was entertaining some of the argument. You see me? And the next thing, the duration of the interview was too long. Evening, Marine, you alright? Yeah, how's everyone? Yeah. Yeah, the duration of the interview was too long, you know? Yeah, that's what I think T3rro went wrong. Where, you know? Even though some of the part T3rro said them, he don't want them to do Silk Boss nothing, and, you know? Them shouldn't do it, but T3rro went too long with the interview and him entertained certain things. You see me? But at the end of the day, we live and we learn and everybody make mistakes. You see me? No one is perfect, so you see it. We don't like to hear the trick them T3rro I get right now, and you know? Enough people not happy with the interview. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? But I say a thing going to reach my yard now, but I don't know. You see it? You say give thanks and for life, health and strength. You know? Don't forget to like and share the content. Saying, man of peace. You see what I say? I love to preach. See, in big one place, Painland, you know? Now a song I say. Painland me come from, that's how me born land. When me boss me now, hitch big up the garrison. First me have to make sure me buy a big mansion. For my mother, kids will live pan. For the thugs them, both woman and man. Who no get vehicle, get visa in them hand. I want to boss it to America, Japan and England. You see me? All of Europe and, you know, Finland and blah, blah, blah. But you notice me say more boss for my mother and big mansion first. Mother have to set me, have to set myself. And for the thugs them, woman and man, who no get vehicle, get visa in them hand. Visa, vehicle, if them want to go foreign, yeah, good things, but no buying of gun or promote no violence. See, no buying of gun or promote violence. Me not do them things around here, so we don't support that. You see me? And if I saw me have to gain friendship with my, you know, I'd rather be alone. So that's where I say Silk Boss went wrong, because he entertained the man them around him and they expect things and he's not doing it. I mean, I rang him now that if you buy a gun, and that's allegation. That's allegation. That's what was said. And for that, I rang him. Because once him do that, it now go stop and word go around to the enemy them say him do it and then booms. He become a target. So I say, my place, I love my place, Painland, born and grow. And all when I go and I be a love me get and show. That's why I say any man see me and do me nothing, I must bad mind. Me not get the support from my place musically. Me no never true me now have the money like that for help and give them. Enough man come around me and when I get my local buzz in 2018, you see me I say enough man come around and them take time drift away. Me no never true, me never have it like that for give them. Me not have it. And 9 to 5 me have to do me have to work hard and me have 6 pitney. You see me? I try for you know, and plus my mother still in the garrison. You see it, but music on my way out. But you know, as me say, no I support no violence. So no, that's why I see enough artists getting in trouble because they went too deep and enough of them want entourage around them. And as an artist, if you don't have entourage, it's like you're not getting the ratings a man want this year. So that's why I see some of the artists them end up with entourage. But me not preach them way there. You see where I go on my place and 2 man them where war see me, you know, and I explain to me what happened and what I will grow. But to them know me or me dealing my thing, a peace and love me show to the young and the old, you know. Everybody, you know. You see me? And then I explain what happened. I say, oh, you get caught up in this situation. And I say, boy, people mix them up and end up if you knock it now and he never tell lie upon him, say him dirt that person. And the next set of man them ask me where them I say, I tell them where them I say, and the man say, lie, I tell man. You see me? And it happened that things squashed down and man, you know, fuel ease and them thing there. You see me? If me did I live my lifestyle certain way, you know, and say, yeah man, them boy they for dead, man. No, maybe man they not pray me, but you see me? I mean, my name, everybody different. You see me? I say, but this reasoning right now, I feel just say, T3rro than, because I think him, the interview, he make it go on too long with man them, over 40 minutes, and the man matter be things, and sometimes it's like he's in agreement with them. You see me? I say, which should make it short and spicy and make it clear, say, yo, the man them shouldn't do the artist that, you know what I mean, and, you know? And that's why the longer the interview went, more people are listening and I get aggrieved, aggravated. And I say, boy, T3rro don't know them and I him set it up and set it up. Me don't know that, so me can't say that. But that's people are saying, I see it, you know, T3rro and I get threat and disrespect and all them things there. Jano style. When I start vlogging on my viewers and subscribers, I thought of the vlogging thing, you know. You see me? And that just will help push my music because I see say, I'm me alone. You know, and God bless 1 and 2 man them I believe in me and I help me the support, you know, I might have friends and family. If I get the support from friends and family, maybe I think it a different certain way, but you can't tell a man I force a man, you know? So me do the vlogging to help push my music, but I see say things, other issues out there to talk, the truth and rights and look of fun and joke and, you know? Yeah, that's why I start vlog. I mean, I make the money out of vlogging. You see me? I don't make no money out of vlogging. People could have feel like I make money. I don't make no money. But just reach 10K over 2 years, subscribers. You see me? And last 2 months, I get to a 60 pound. 9 to 5, I do. You see me? I say, I love my work, I love my job. I don't depend on vlogging, but I look forward to talking to you guys, to the world. Send a positive message, righteousness, and, you know, address certain matters and issues like what I do now. So big up yourself, T3rro Dan. You see me? I'm not going to burn you out, but I feel like you make an error by conducting the interview too long. You see me? I say? And you entertain the man them in some part. And we say you know them and they know you. That's how it sounds. You see me? I say? I know people I say, you know, Jano Star. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Zine? Yeah man, but I say you think I am, man. I'm out. Not another word that I'm out. Don't forget to like and share the content. And Jamaica, live good and clean, stop the crime, stop the violence, man.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.